Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, your exam will start from 25th or 24th.
24th.
24.
Okay. So, tomorrow I think there is a doubt. I think tomorrow session will be there, but I don't know whether they give you the leave. Okay. So, don't worry. I will ask only which I have taught. So, nothing extra will be asked in exam.
Sir, can you give us holiday?
Tomorrow actually already we are short of time, so if they allow holiday it's okay, and if there is no holiday so we can solve one more question. Okay, समय का सदुपयोग हो जाएगा. तो practice makes the man perfect. So let us solve one more question. Question number 8. So look here, बहुत ही अच्छा chapter है. Uh, on 1st April 15, Star Limited purchased 5 machines for 60,000 each. So please note this 60,000 is for each machine. तो total value कितनी होगी?
3 lakh.
3 lakhs. Okay. So accordingly they have given the history. एक बार देख लेते हैं. Important thing we can highlight कि on 1st April 15 purchase हुआ है, and 1st April 2017 को one of the machine was sold at a loss of 8,000. Indirectly आपको लॉस दिया है, बट सेलिंग प्राइस इज नॉट गिवन. ओके, सो यहाँ पर आपको ध्यान रखना है. एंड ऑन 1st July 18, second hand machine, sorry, second machine was sold at a loss of rupees so and so. So there are two sales. A new machine was purchased on 1st October 18. So I am highlighting the dates. Okay. And prepare machinery account for 4 years, assuming it is closed on 31st March every year, and depreciation is 10%. So चलिए start करते हैं. Okay, there are two sales and chapter is very interesting. Star Limited. So we will write in the books of Star Limited, machinery account for year ending 31st March 2016, and we need to prepare this account for 4 years. So you should divide the page into equal parts, then make lines. On right hand side I will prepare working note. No need for journal folio. So here we can write debit, credit, date, particulars, and amount, date, particulars, and amount. And we need to prepare for 4 years. 2 times there are sales, so I think minimum 1.5 page it will require. So I'm extending the lines. And let's start the question. So on 1st April 15, 1st April 15, I am purchasing the machine to cash account, 5 machines for 60,000. So we'll write 5 into 60,000. So how much it will be? 3 lakhs. Now in this year there is no other transaction. So directly on 31st March 2016, I will write by depreciation account. Can I say ये तो पूरे साल का depreciation होगा? Yes. So 3 lakhs. I think rate is given to be 10% straight line method. So into 10% into 12 by 12. So it should be 30,000. So on the same date, 31st March 16, you get closing balance. How much it will be?
2,70,000.
2,70,000. So थोड़ा जल्दी सॉल्व करते हैं. Let's see if we can start with next question. So second year will start from here. And ऊपर जो है ना मशीन अकाउंट फॉर द ईयर एंडिंग 31st March 16, उसी लाइन को हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे मशीनरी अकाउंट फॉर द ईयर एंडिंग 31st March 17. ओके बट देखो एग्जाम में टाइम इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके सो मेन प्रेजेंटेशन is all the more important than formatting. So 1st April 16, I'm writing here to balance brought down 2,70,000. And now look here, next transaction is on 1st April 2017. Okay, so 1st April 17 is which date? Is in next year. So here also there is no other transaction. So 31st March 17, I will write by depreciation account, and here also depreciation remains the same. Original cost का 10% for full year. So again it will be 30,000, and 31st March 17 को I will have by balance carried down. How much it will be? 240. So this completes my second year. So again I will prepare the lines to start the new year. I will write here 1st April 2017 to balance brought down, and it is 2,40,000. Let's see बाद में क्या हुआ है on 1st April. So on 1st April 17, one of the machine was sold at a loss of 8,000. Okay, so first of all 1st April 17 को you are selling. So पहले depreciation चार्ज करना है, but I am writing 0. Okay, ये skip ना हो जाए इसलिए, even if you don't write it's okay. तो why I have not charged depreciation on asset sold? देखो वन ऑफ द मशीन कितने का था? 60,000. डेप्रीसिएशन की रेट कितनी थी? 10%. रेट बाय 100 इंटू मंथ्स यूज्ड बाय 12. मैं 0/12 क्यों लिखूंगा? हेलो, देखो, whenever I sell any machine, okay, it was sold on 1st April 2017. तो I told you कि पहले तो depreciation charge करना है whenever we sell the machine. तो why I am not charging depreciation in this question?
Sir, it's the starting of the year.
Yes, okay. So, uh, machinery, when it is sold on the first date of the year, so don't charge depreciation. If it is sold on last date of the year, then charge full depreciation. So I hope it's easy. Okay, so no depreciation. So then we need to prepare one working to find profit or loss. तो मैं बाजू में ही working बना देता हूँ. So I will write here my working note number 1. It is to find profit या loss on 1st April 17. I told you one thing. What you should do, you should first of all write written down value at start of year. Start of the year is 1st April 17. So now you must be worried कि सर ये written down value कैसे पता चलेगी, क्योंकि हमने 5 मशीन तो अलग अलग लिखे नहीं है. So look here, ये 2,40,000 जो वैल्यू है, it is for how many machines? I'm writing here into 1/5. देखो 5 machines की written down value है 2,40,000. तो if you want to find the value of one machine, so what you will do? Divide by
Divide
5.
by
Yes. So what value it is coming?
48,000.
48,000. So this is the written down value of one machine minus depreciation in year of sale. But there is no depreciation. Okay, we know that we have not charged any depreciation. So we get written down value as on date of sale. As on date of sale, the written down value after depreciation is 48,000. This you will compare with which price?
Selling price.
Selling price. And when you minus this, then what you get? Profit or
Profit or
loss?
loss.
But here in this question, selling price is not given, but loss is given. What is the amount of loss?
8,000.
Loss of 8,000. तो मुझे जरा सोच कर बताओ कितने में बेचा होगा?
40,000.
परफेक्ट आंसर. 48,000 का एसेट अगर आप 8,000 लॉस पे बेचते हो, तो इट मीन्स दैट 48,000 माइनस 8,000, ऐसे एरो कर दो तो यू विल कम टू नो. तो 40,000 will be the selling price. तो एक याद रखो, selling price is equal to, here in this situation, written down value, okay, plus loss. अब देखो, if I want to find written down value, if I have written down value and if I have the loss, मैंने रिवर्स लिख दिया, selling price will be lower, minus if I have selling price and if I have written down value, so I can find loss. Out of these three, if you have any two, you can find the remaining value. So if you have written down value and if you have loss, then take the difference, you will get selling price. Okay, so loss can be transferred to that side also. These are interrelated. But if there is a profit, then what will be change in this situation? ज्यादा पैसा मिलेगा if there is a profit, तो written down value से ज्यादा मिलेगा, तो to get the selling price, add the profit. Okay, so this was done. So I will write on 1st April 2017. First of all, we write by बैंक अकाउंट. और ठीक है, अभी मैं कैश अकाउंट लिख देता हूं. with selling price by cash account into bracket selling price. It is 40,000. And there was a loss, so on the same date, I will write by profit and loss account into bracket. It is my loss reference to working note number 1 and loss is 8,000. So this completes my accounting for this asset which was sold. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please note this down properly. देखो practice makes a man perfect. To find profit or loss, it's very easy. 5 मशीन का अलग से मैंने नहीं लिखा, अदरवाइज बहुत लेंदी हो जाता. मशीन 1, मशीन 2, मशीन 3. तो इफ मशीन्स आर हैविंग सिमिलर वैल्यू तो आप क्लब कर सकते हो. अगर हर मशीन की अलग अलग वैल्यू होती तो इन दैट केस you can write machines separately.
Sir, can you please scroll up once?
Mhm. So I'm giving you 2 minutes. Note this down, and if you have already done, go ahead. Okay. Next transaction. On 1st July 18, second machine was sold. July 18. So it is in the next year. So there is no other transaction. So on 31st March
सर
2018. बोलो.
सर इसमें डेप्रिसिएशन और चाहे मशीन का नहीं लगेगा?
हाँ तो वही कर रहे हैं ना ईयर एंड में, लेकिन चेक करना
हाँ
पड़ेगा
अच्छा
और कोई परचेस है कि नहीं. ओके.
हाँ
सो
ठीक
31
हाँ सर
मार्च 18 अब कोई ट्रांजेक्शन नहीं है. डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करो एंड क्लोज करो बाय डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट. बट यहाँ पर देखो चेंज होगा. मैं यहाँ पर लिखूंगा 4 into 60,000 क्योंकि एक मशीन तो बेच दिया इंटू 10%. बाकी मशीन तो पूरे 12 महीने यूज किए हैं. सो कितना होगा डेप्रिसिएशन?
24,000.
24,000.
24,000. Okay, one machine is sold. And 31st March 2018, what will you get? By balance carried down. अब ये फाइंड करने के अलग अलग वेज है. एक नॉर्मल तरीका है दिस वन. 2,40,000, 2,40,000. अब लॉजिकली सोचो, जो मशीन आपका, यानी देखो एक मशीन तो ऑलरेडी बेच दिया. ओके, यू हैव हाउ मेनी मशीन्स? 4 मशीन्स लेफ्ट.
4.
तो 4 मशीन में ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट आपकी है 2,40,000 एंड यू हैव चार्ज डेप्रिसिएशन 3 टाइम्स. देखो फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर. ओके, तो माइनस, आई एम राइटिंग लाइक दिस, 24,000 इंटू 3 कितना हो जाएगा? 72,000.
72.
तो इतनी क्लोजिंग वैल्यू देखो, लेजर अकाउंट में व्हेन यू क्लोज दिस तो आपको ये वैल्यू मिलनी चाहिए. ओके, सो 40,000 जाएगा 2 lakhs एंड
168.
1,68,000.
यस. एंड कंफर्म करो 2,40,000 में से आप ये तीन अमाउंट माइनस करोगे, 48 and 24. So ultimately also you will get this same value, 168. Now, अब last year, so we'll write opening balance first. 1st April 18 to balance brought down 1,68,000 And here also there is a transaction. On 1st July, second machine was sold at a loss. So as it is, we will repeat this. Good question है, 2 बार सेल है. तो 1st July 18 को first of all we will charge by depreciation account. एक मशीन की ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट थी 60,000, 10% इज द रेट, बट यहां पर 3 मंथ्स का डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज होगा. व्हाई?
3 months.
सर क्योंकि हमने उसको 3 मंथ्स यूज किया.
यस. ओके, विच आर दिस 3 मंथ्स? अप्रैल, मई, जून. ओके, पहली
अप्रैल, मई,
जुलाई को
जून.
बेच दिया है. सो अप्रैल, मई, जून. तो हैंस देखो 6,000 पूरे साल का डेप्रिसिएशन, एंड 3 months out of 12 means 1/4. So 6,000 divided by 4 will give you 1,500. Acha, next step is to find profit or loss. For that I need to prepare working. So my working note number 2 is to find profit या loss on which date? On 1st July 18. So I need to first of all write original cost of this machine. Machine का original cost is 60,000. सॉरी, उसका शॉर्टकट है, मैं तो WDV से ही आपको करा दूंगा. सो डायरेक्टली वी कैन फाइंड WDV. सो आई विल राइट WDV ऑन स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर विच इज 1/4/18. नाउ ये WDV कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? लुक हियर, ये 1,68,000 है, वो कितने मशीन की WDV है?
4
तो एक मशीन की कैसे फाइंड करोगे? डिवाइड बाय 4.
divided by 4.
तो it is
42,000.
42,000. Okay. You will minus what?
1,500.
Yes, depreciation for that year you will minus. देखो ये एरो पेंसिल से कर दो तो it will help you. So depreciation in the year of sale is 1,500. So then you get WDV on date of sale.
$40,500.
Okay. And from this WDV, when you minus selling price, you get what? Loss. But we don't know selling price here, but they have given the loss. How much? 12,500. तो ये कितना होगा?
28,000.
28,000.
28,000. So same logic. Okay, 40,500 minus 12,500. So we know that on 1st April 18, my selling price will be reflected by cash account, which is 28,000, and loss will also be written. It will be debited to P&L account into bracket loss, working note number 2, 12,500. Okay, so this completes this transaction. Have a look at it carefully. And here it is written, new machine was purchased for 1 lakh on 1st October 18. So 1st October 18 to cash account 1 lakh. New machine is purchased. अब और कोई ट्रांजेक्शन नहीं है तो ईयर एंड. वी चार्ज डेप्रिसिएशन एट द ईयर एंड. अब देखो मैं 3 into 60,000 लिखूंगा क्योंकि आउट ऑफ 5 मशीन पहले एक बेचा था, अभी एक बेचा है, तो 3 मशीन बाकी है. एंड यू नीड टू चार्ज 10% डेप्रिसिएशन फॉर फुल ईयर. कितना? होगा?
18,000.
Perfect. But you also need to charge depreciation on new machinery. जो आपने 1 लाख में बेचा है, 10% depreciation, but कितने महीने के लिए?
6 months.
Because you bought on October. Okay. So October, November, December, January, February, March, 6 months का depreciation. So it will be 5,000. पूरे साल का है 10,000, उसका half कर दो. And then on the same date, you get closing balance. So as a balancing figure, also you can get 268, 268. अब मैं यहाँ पर ऐसा लिख दिया हूँ, 3 old machine and 1 new machine. अब 1 new machine में तो हिसाब क्लियर है, 95,000 will be the WDV. अब 3 old machine में देखो, I'm using another color. अब 3 मशीन का जो वैल्यू है, देखो ये 4 मशीन का था 168. ठीक है, यू कैन गेट एज ए बैलेंसिंग फिगर. इसको आप ऐसे भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. आई एम यूजिंग दिस पिंक कलर. ये 168 4 मशीन की वैल्यू थी एंड उसमें से एक की 42,000 थी. तो 168 4 मशीन की वैल्यू माइनस 42 एक मशीन की वैल्यू, तो आपको 3 मशीन की रिटन डाउन वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. एंड एक काम करता हूं, एक शॉर्टकट मैं इसमें बताता हूं. उसमें एक और चीज हम माइनस कर देंगे. ये 42 WDV ऑफ एसेट सोल्ड है. मशीन वो सोल्ड. एंड अगेन आई विल माइनस डेप्रीशिएशन. 18,000 depreciation you have charged. Depreciation of 3 machinery. तो 168 माइनस 18 करोगे 150. क्या ये 108 आ रहा है? चेक करो. एंड इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे.
Two lakh 3,000.
2,03,000. एंड देखो यहां पर 2,03,000 फाइनल वैल्यू. सो देखो ये क्रॉस चेक है ना, वो करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. इट इज जस्ट टू मेक यू अवेयर कि हाउ वी कैन डू दिस. बट डेबिट माइनस टोटल ऑफ क्रेडिट, इट मीन्स 268 माइनस दिस वैल्यू आप करोगे, then also you will get written down value. So we got this WDV. WDV stands for written down value. So we got this written down value. So I hope you are able to understand this concept. Acha, there is one shortcut. देखो, in CA examination, if they give the same question, then they will ask in 1 mark same question. Okay, वो पूछेंगे find WDV, written down value as on 31st March 2019. and it is MCQ type, means 1 mark के लिए you know that you cannot prepare such lengthy account. So and even calculator is allowed to them. So you know what they do, अगर सेम क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ पूछा है कि एंड में वैल्यू फाइंड करो, तो हम ऐसे सिखाते हैं कि हिस्ट्री से पता चला कि 5 में से कितने मशीन शहीद हो चुके हैं 4 साल के अंदर, 2 मशीन्स। ओके, तो हमें पता है कि 2 मशीन तो सोल्ड है, तो 3 मशीन के लिए ही एंड में रिटन डाउन वैल्यू मीन्स जो मशीन है आपके बुक में, द मशीन्स विच आर नॉट सोल्ड उसकी वैल्यू क्या है। सो देर आर 3 मशीन्स। ओके, इनटू एक की कीमत कितनी थी 60,000। सो कितना आ गया 1,80,000 माइनस 18,000 माइनस 18,000 माइनस 18,000 एंड माइनस 18,000। ये ऐसा क्यों किया मैंने?
4 साल का डेप्रिसिएशन।
हाँ, 4 साल का डेप्रिसिएशन, तो बेसिकली कितना आप माइनस करोगे?
72,000।
72,000। तो वैल्यू कितनी बचेगी? 1,80,000 माइनस 72,000, हाउ मच?
1,08,000।
ओके, सो मैच हो गया। सो दे डोंट राइट एनीथिंग, जस्ट यूज कैलकुलेटर एंड डायरेक्टली गेट द आंसर। और याद रखो यहाँ पर एक और पार्ट बाकी है कि अबाउट दिस न्यू मशीन के लिए क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी कि लास्ट ईयर में लिया है और सिर्फ 6 महीने यूज किया है, तो 1 लाख माइनस 5,000 जो मैंने येलो में हाईलाइट किया है, so it's very easy to get 95,000. So they just add these two value 1,08,000 and 95,000 and they just give the answer directly ke 2,03,000. One of the option is 2,03,000. They just take it. If it is correct, they get 1 mark. If it is wrong, then they get minus 0.25, minus 1/4 of the marks. So calculation of depreciation is actually easy. The only thing is that we need to be careful in the steps. Okay, so I hope you are able to get the concept behind this written down, straight line method. And here depreciation ka amount remains the same. Depreciation for full year remains the same. If you use for half month, then depreciation will be half. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow. I don't wish to give you any homework. If there is a session tomorrow, we will solve one more question. Otherwise, please note, I will ask only from the things which I have explained in the class. Okay, so don't worry कि सर और ये जो 3 क्वेश्चंस है लेंदी जो हमने सॉल्व किए हैं, एक बार प्रैक्टिस कर लो, so you'll be able to get full score in this depreciation chapter. Okay, चलिए, bye bye.